Welcome to the fascinating world of computer networking. Every second, billions of devices across the globe communicate with one another. Smartphones, laptops, desktop computers, cloud servers, satellites, and smart devices constantly exchange information through an invisible digital infrastructure. This interconnected system is called a computer network. It allows people to communicate, businesses to operate, and the Internet to function. Understanding computer networking is the first step toward building a successful career in information technology, cybersecurity, cloud computing, or network engineering. Welcome to the fascinating world of computer networking. Every second, billions of devices across the globe communicate with one another. Smartphones, laptops, desktop computers, cloud servers, satellites, and smart devices constantly exchange information through an invisible digital infrastructure. This interconnected system is called a computer network. It allows people to communicate, businesses to operate, and the Internet to function. Understanding computer networking is the first step toward building a successful career in information technology, cybersecurity, cloud computing, or network engineering. Now imagine an entire office where dozens or even hundreds of computers are connected through a shared network. Employees can access shared printers, company databases, cloud storage, and internal applications without needing separate systems. This type of setup improves productivity, collaboration, and communication. Office networks also allow IT administrators to manage users, secure sensitive information, and monitor network performance from a central location. Most people use a computer network every day without even thinking about it. Your home Wi-Fi network connects smartphones, laptops, tablets, gaming consoles, smart TVs, and security cameras through a wireless router. Instead of using multiple internet connections, every device shares one secure network. This convenience allows families to stream movies, attend online classes, work remotely, and control smart home devices from anywhere. Behind every website you visit lies an enormous global infrastructure known as the Internet backbone. Massive fiber optic cables run beneath oceans and across continents, carrying data at nearly the speed of light. These high-capacity connections link countries, cities, cloud providers, and Internet service providers together. Without this powerful network infrastructure, international communication and modern online services would not be possible. Behind every website you visit lies an enormous global infrastructure known as the Internet backbone. Massive fiber optic cables run beneath oceans and across continents, carrying data at nearly the speed of light. These high-capacity connections link countries, cities, cloud providers, and Internet service providers together. Without this powerful network infrastructure, international communication and modern online services would not be possible. Inside offices, schools, and data centers, another important device called a network switch connects multiple computers within the same local area network. Unlike older networking technologies, switches intelligently send information only to the intended destination, making communication faster, more efficient, and more reliable. They form the backbone of modern enterprise networks. Servers are powerful computers designed to provide services to other devices on a network. They host websites, store files, manage databases, run applications, and support cloud computing services. Large organizations maintain secure server rooms with hundreds or even thousands of servers working around the clock. These servers ensure that online services remain available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Today, cloud computing has transformed how people store and access information. Instead of saving files only on a personal computer, users can securely store data on remote cloud servers. Whether you're using Google Drive, Microsoft OneDrive, or Dropbox, networking allows your files to be available from almost anywhere with an internet connection. Cloud networking has become essential for businesses, education, and remote work. A local area network, commonly called a LAN, connects devices within a limited geographic area such as a home, office, school, or university campus. LANs provide high-speed communication and resource sharing. They are easy to manage and offer excellent performance because devices are located close to one another. A wide area network, or WLAN, connects multiple local networks across cities, countries, and continents. The largest WLAN in existence is the Internet itself. WLAN technology enables businesses to connect branch offices worldwide and allows users to communicate across the globe within seconds. Every email, video, photo, and web page is divided into tiny pieces called data packets before being transmitted across a network. Each packet contains destination information that helps routers deliver it accurately. Once the packets arrive, the receiving device reassembles them into the original file. This packet-based communication is one of the most important concepts in modern networking. Fiber optic cables are among the fastest communication technologies available today. Instead of electrical signals, they use pulses of light to transmit enormous amounts of data over long distances with minimal signal loss. Fiber optics power global internet connections, cloud computing platforms, financial systems, and high-speed enterprise networks. Wireless networking allows devices to communicate without physical cables. Wi-Fi technology uses radio waves to provide internet access throughout homes, offices, airports, hotels, and public spaces. As wireless technology continues to evolve with Wi-Fi 6, Wi-Fi 7, and 5G networks, users experience faster speeds, lower latency, and more reliable connections. Modern data centers serve as the digital heart of today's Internet. They contain thousands of interconnected servers, storage systems, networking equipment, and backup power supplies. Companies like cloud providers rely on these facilities to deliver websites, streaming services, online games, and artificial intelligence applications to millions of users worldwide. Computer networks have transformed global communication. Whether you're making a video call, sending an instant message, collaborating on shared documents, or attending an online meeting, networking technology connects people regardless of geographic location. Distance is no longer a barrier in today's connected world. Internet service providers, commonly known as ISPs, connect homes and businesses to the global Internet. They maintain large networking infrastructures, including fiber optic cables, communication towers, routers, and network operation centers. ISPs ensure reliable Internet connectivity for millions of users every day. As networks become larger and more connected, security becomes increasingly important. Cybercriminals constantly attempt to steal sensitive information, spread malware, or disrupt online services. Firewalls, encryption, intrusion detection systems, VPNs, and multi-factor authentication help protect modern computer networks. Strong cybersecurity begins with a solid understanding of networking fundamentals. Educational institutions rely heavily on computer networking. Schools and universities use local networks to provide internet access, digital classrooms, online examinations, shared learning resources, and collaboration platforms. Networking enables students and teachers to learn more efficiently in both physical and virtual classrooms. Healthcare organizations depend on secure computer networks to access electronic medical records, connect diagnostic equipment, schedule appointments, and support telemedicine services. Reliable networking improves patient care, reduces administrative delays, and enables medical professionals to collaborate more effectively. Every time you withdraw money from an ATM, transfer funds online, or make a digital payment, secure banking networks are working behind the scenes. Advanced encryption, authentication, and cybersecurity technologies help protect financial transactions and customer information from cyber threats. Manufacturing industries use industrial computer networks to connect robots, production equipment, sensors, and control systems. These smart factories automate processes, monitor machinery in real time, and improve operational efficiency. Industrial networking plays a major role in Industry 4.0 and the future of automation. The future of computer networking includes artificial intelligence, quantum networking, edge computing, 6G wireless technology, autonomous vehicles, and billions of connected IoT devices. As technology continues to evolve, networking professionals will play a vital role in designing, securing, and maintaining the digital infrastructure of tomorrow. Computer networking is the invisible technology that keeps our digital world connected. From homes and schools to businesses, hospitals, banks, factories, and global cloud platforms, networks make communication, collaboration, and innovation possible. Whether you're preparing for CCNA, exploring cybersecurity, learning cloud computing, or starting a career in IT, mastering networking fundamentals is an essential first step. If you found this guide helpful, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more networking, cybersecurity, and technology tutorials designed to help you build real-world IT skills. Before we finish, please remember, this channel is dedicated to cybersecurity education and awareness. All content is intended for ethical and legal learning purposes only. We do not encourage unauthorized access, cybercrime, or any illegal activity. Always practice in authorized environments and use your knowledge responsibly. Great cybersecurity professionals use their skills to protect people, systems, and organizations. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe and turn on notifications for more cybersecurity content. Until next time. Stay curious. Stay ethical. Stay secure.